Hey there, it's Brysen from Bold. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a prepaid subscription with Bold subscriptions. Prepaid subscriptions allow customers to pay for a set number of orders upfront. Not only do prepaid subscriptions provide predictable revenue for your store, customers are also provided the convenience of paying one time while still receiving their orders on a recurring basis. With that being said, let's go through the setup of a prepaid subscription in Bold subscriptions. From within the Bold subscriptions admin, click Subscription Groups, then click Create Subscription Group. Enter a title for the subscription group. This is an internal name to help you identify this group between others within Bold subscriptions. Click Select Products and choose a product you would like to be purchasable as a prepaid subscription. In this video, we'll be skipping over the convertible setting. You can find instructions and a video tutorial for creating a convertible subscription on our Help Center. Next, under Subscription Frequency, enter the frequencies that you would like available for customers to choose from for this subscription group. In my example, I'm going to have every 1 month, every 2 months, and every 3 months. The minimum order requirement setting is only available to standard or convertible subscriptions, as prepaid subscriptions are already paid upfront. You can learn more about creating those types of subscriptions on our Help Center. Next, under Prepaid Subscriptions, click the toggle next to Allow Customers to Prepay for this subscription. Enabling this option allows you to set the number of orders that your customers can prepay for, along with an optional discount either by percentage or an amount off the unit price, to help incentivize the prepay options. In my example, I'm going to allow customers to prepay for 3 orders at 10% off. Using the Add Prepaid blank button, you can add additional prepay options to allow more prepay options to be available. I'm going to use this button to add 2 more prepaid options at 5 orders at 25% off and 7 orders at 30% off. After you have created your prepay options, there are a few choices that can be enabled. The first setting allows you to only offer the subscription as a prepaid subscription if the checkbox is enabled. The second option allows you to extend the prepaid subscription once the initial prepaid duration has been completed. If the setting is enabled, you can either allow prepaid subscriptions to renew for the same length of time that was selected during the initial purchase, or convert the prepaid subscription to pay-as-you-go subscription. Select whichever option works best for your store. If this option is not enabled, the prepaid subscription will expire after the orders have been fulfilled. Lastly, under subscription discounts, you can set an optional recurring discount for non-prepaid subscription purchases. If you would like to apply a recurring discount, click the toggle in this section and enter a recurring discount amount. Any discounts that are applied are only applicable for pay-as-you-go subscriptions. Prepaid subscriptions will not receive discounts set in this section. In this video, we'll be skipping over the dynamic discount setting. Dynamic discounts are compatible with standard or convertible subscriptions only, as prepaid subscriptions have their own discount settings. Click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. After you have enabled the subscription group, the subscription widget will appear on the product page. If your product offers both non-prepaid and prepay options, your prepay options will appear after clicking the checkbox next to Prepay for subscription at the bottom of the subscription widget. Once a product has been added into the cart page with the prepay option, the number of orders selected along with the prepaid total appears on the cart page and checkout page. Please note that a warning will appear on the first order due to fulfillments being deleted by Bold subscriptions in order to give you the ultimate flexibility. And that's all there is to it. For more information on prepaid subscriptions, please visit our Help Center at support.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.